Just want to do a quick video on this because when you buy loads of tools for your weight shop, and some are good and some are dire, but this one is a really good bit of kit. It's not expensive. It's a Trend Pocket Hole Jig. I'm going to show you how to do a pocket hole on it now. We have got a machine that does this, but for just the average DIY or joiner who doesn't want to invest, I don't know, £300 or £400 in a electric machine, this is a brilliant bit of kit. So basically what you've got, it screws down to your bench if you wanted to, which is perfect. We just put it on corner of bench because it's just there then when you want it. You've got two pocket holes here, and you can move these. You can select this Allen screw off at the front here, and you can move these in and out where you want them. The jig clamp is adjustable, so it adjusts for all different thicknesses of timber. With the jig, you get a proper drill bit, which has got a depth stop on it. So it's, if you see, it's got a little narrow start of the tip, and then it goes down like a normal drill bit. You also get a driver, because the screws for the pocket holes are square. I don't know if you can see that, but the edge of the pocket hole screws, they're pan head like that, and then the drive at the top is a square drive. So it is important to use those, because you can get away with countersink screws, but it's not very good because you'll find it'll just blow your pocket hole out. So I'll show you now how I do a pocket hole. So basically a pocket hole, you use it really for joining timber together like that. So I'm going to get this piece, I'm going to just put a couple of pocket holes in it. Stretch out a bit. That's it, so it grips well. Then you just put your drill bit down into this hole. I'll drill a couple like that. Now you'll notice there, the hole hasn't come right through. That isn't a mistake, that's how it should be. When you do a pocket hole, you shouldn't get any breakthrough there, because what happens if you don't set your depth stop properly and you do get your bit coming through there, it will leave a little spelch of sawdust there, and then when you join your two timbers together, you'll find it'll hold your timber apart. So just make sure you can't see any signs of the hole there, and that's perfect. Okay, so I'll just screw these together now, and I'll just show you how good they are. Yeah, as you can see, it's not spelched it at the front. That's because we're using the proper screws. And you can see, you can't really appreciate how good that is, how strong that is. It's a really strong joint. That's with no glue, that's just two screws. It's a really good strong joint, and of course you've got a nice clean surface on the outside. So if you're into woodwork, especially if you build cabinets and things, kitchen cupboards and things like that, it's definitely worth investing in one of these. I'm not on commission from Trend, but if Trend like to send me some commission for doing this video for them, it would be greatly appreciated. But I'm not being paid by Trend. I just think this is a brilliant bit of kit, and can highly recommend it. So as I say, you can get it through Screwfix and places like that. Again, if Screwfix want to donate for that shout out, that's fine. But it's not an expensive bit of kit, and it's well worth investing in it. So that's the Trend Pocket Hole Jig.